look them. They're nice. The arms are a little lower than I think they should be up a little higher. Yeah, the arms are a little bit low.
This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video.
As you can see right here, it comes in a set. We're gonna put one up just to see and show you guys the end result. But it looks really, really easy. So this is all the bolts that you get, and this is the steps. Like 1, 2, 3. Pretty much 3 steps. So this should be easy. Okay, now that we got it set up, it was very easy, simple to install. What I recommend doing is putting the bolts in first, but don't make them tight. Just thread them in enough that they stay in. I would say slight medium weight. Definitely seems durable. I do want to point out, so these are the cushions. I do want to point out that some people have had some complaints with these chairs that, oh, look, they're nice. The arms are a little lower than I think they should be up a little higher. Yeah, the arms are a little bit low. Yeah, the armrests are a little low. So there's like, as I lay my hand on here, there's a gap for my arm. So my whole arm doesn't actually rest unless I lower my shoulders. Or if you sit back. But yeah, anyway, people have complained that when they put this outside that it rusts very quickly. So I think if you're gonna have them outside for all weather, maybe look into getting covers. So just covers, the waterproof covers. That way you can prolong the rusting and you can have these for a lot longer. Again, sitting up straight, I'm 5'9". My arms do not touch the bar. Of course, we installed it correctly. Everything's was followed to the T on the manual. It's nice, soft, comfortable, and my arms not touching is not a big. I mean, it doesn't feel weird or anything. I mean, you could tell, but it's not like this. Like my shoulders are up. I can still drop my shoulders and stuff. So that's not too big of an issue for me. I'll show you guys here up close. But yeah, you can't adjust the arms either. So once you put them on, that's how they are. But yeah, overall, we'll use them.